What's going on, guys? Chris here, or the Supercar Suspects, and welcome back to a new video. We are here for something very, very special today. We are working with Aerolux for my personal R34. If you guys don't know what Aerolux is, we'll have some of the representatives here explain to you guys, but come on over, boys. If you guys take a little look here, we got that lizard green GT3 RS getting a full exhaust system on there. And we got a Jeep over here getting a lift kit, I believe. The two big issues with my 34 were the hood and the wing. We don't want that tiny wing anymore, so I hit up my guys here from Aerolux, and they're hooking it up with the high-rise GTR wing. And not only do we have the high-rise wing, but we have a new hood for it as well. You guys will see that in a second, as I mentioned, but not one, not two, not three. Does this have a V8 in there? Oh, he just beats V8s. Okay, I thought he had a V8 in there. But they have 4 S2000s on one property next to the Cayman wide body right here. But I met these guys about 5 minutes ago and I already love them, bro. 4 S2000s, my type of people. There's a wide body FRS right on over here. We got a little Miata over here. It looks like an 86 right there, but in front of that, I see something. I see something special.
It's a barn find, basically.
Okay,
found
sick.
in the field, it sat for like 15 years. Complete rust bucket. We did full chassis restoration. I had to source all the parts. So this 86 is gonna, the owner probably is gonna spend 6 figures on this car.
Jesus, on an 86.
New carpet, new uncracked dashboard.
And if you guys take a look in here, that's an S15 wide body. Could have been me, but I'm playing as always. As I mentioned, we are here at Project Dream, and this is my guy Alvin right here. That's gonna explain to you guys what really goes on in here.
So my name is Alvin. This is our shop, Project Dream. So we're basically just your aftermarket parts and maintenance shop. In the back we have our GT3 RS customer's car. We're doing a full exhaust install, and we're doing a lift kit install on this Jeep Gladiator. We're just the all-around one-stop shop.
Nice.
Yeah. So
you guys can do anything, basically.
Pretty much, yeah. We have an engine building room over there. We do full motor builds. We do port polish. We do whatever you can think of. We do a lot of race stuff because all of us love like driving on track. Our sims are linked, so you can battle.
You hear that? I'm gonna fuck you up, dude. So a lot of you guys that use Snap-on, you gotta call the truck over. These guys have it across the street. You can just walk there and drop a tab. I'm sure you guys already do, huh?
Dude, you guys have no idea. Our tab's too big.
These guys keep them in business single-handedly. Here we go. Oh, baby. You guys asked for it. Aerolux delivered. I'm sure you guys all know by now, the 34s are legal here in the States. So what Aerolux specifically does is they make a one-to-one example of a GTR conversion. And we got ourselves the GTR converted. The top of the wing right here with the carbon fiber goodies over here. We're gonna be wrapping this, of course. What you're looking at here are standard height carbon fiber wing stands. What you're looking at here are the high-rise wing stands, of course, in carbon fiber, my favorite. They make everything exactly the same, one-to-one standard conversion of a GTR. Other companies will have, little things, off here, but what Aerolux does is an absolutely perfect conversion for a GTR, and that's what I wanted with my car. I don't want this guy behind the camera to see something, talk shit, it's not a GTR, It's gonna be exactly a GTR. I might even put a GTR badge. No, I won't do that. Oh, baby. Come over here. Ladies and gentlemen, check this bad boy out. Oh my goodness. I mean, I guess we could say I have a GTR now, right? It's technically a GTR. Technically. So the cool thing about this is it's a GTR style hood for the GTT, which means it's perfectly made to mount on your GTT to convert into a GTR, and no additional modifications will be needed. So, I mean, I'm not very well with, handy dandy shit. I could just fucking toss this thing on and we're good to go. And what I mean by that is this front latch is not gonna need any additional modifications, nor are the back hinges. And I'm not very good with my hands on these types of things. So, we'll just be plug and playing with this stuff. And if you guys need anything from Aerolux, all the information is going to be down in the description below. If you have a GTT, you want to convert into a GTR, you guys know where to go. Hey, don't crush my GTR hood by Aerolux, dude. It's fragile. Nobody with a massive schlong drives something like this, so now we know. Hey, you better have strapped that shit on tight, brother. Alrighty guys, making our way back from Aerolux. Once again, I want to give a huge shout out to them. We're going to be installing those parts in a later video, but for today, We got all these parts lined up right here in front of the R34 ready to go on. But before we do that, I want to let you guys know that this Saturday, I myself am going to be in Utah for Gearhead Society's 4th year there, hosting their own two-step competition. So if you guys want to pull up, use code SUSPECT, first link in the description. I'll see you guys there. So, we got ourselves part number 1 here. ARC. ARC, baby. You guys saw that little shitty intake in there. So we got ourselves a power dual funnel air cleaner intake by Apexi. Wow. Japanese manual. Because I can read Japanese. Oh baby. That's more like it right there. We got the whole black and red scheme going in there. It's gonna look real good. Wow. Wait till you guys see what's in here. Oh my goodness. Stickers. This bottle. And last but not least, we got ourselves some Crank Motorsports R34 style GTR seats. So once again, I want to give a huge shout out to my guys over in Australia, Crank Motorsports, for hooking it up with these seats. If you don't know Crank, they make the GTR style 1-to-1 seats. And not only that, but they have seat covers for your R34 GTR if you want to replace it, if you want a leather cover, if you want a cotton cover, whatever you want, they make it. Make sure you guys check them out. But without further ado, let's get these seats out and check them out. What you're looking at here are the Crank Motorsports V-Spec Series 1 seats. They have the Series 2 as well. Those are finished in black. The Series 1s come in gray right here. We got the seat mounts right on over here. And they actually make door cards and rear seats that match these as well. You guys know what seat brackets look like. But you know, I'll just take it out so I can show you guys. Bingo. Alright, we forgot about an airbag wire, but... we got ourselves one OEM GTT seat. Garbage out of the way now for these beautiful custom seats we have going in here. And by the way, if any of you guys are interested in these OEM GTT style seats, and I believe that one Recaro over there, hit my line, IGDM. I got you. I wanted the other fucking half, bro. 50 years of chicken, maybe. Alrighty guys, we got ourselves 2 seats in, but the issue is we forgot the seatbelt, so now both of them have to come back out. So my guy here, you know, gave up on this, so we have like a cheetah print titanium arc intercooler radiator cover. That's gonna go right here, and we got my boy here. Hard at work. Ladies and gentlemen, about an hour later, a little more than that, we have got ourselves the nice little arc cover going down over here. We kind of got, you know, lazy with the titanium stuff and, you know, heating it. So it looks like it's got a little titanium cheetah print for right now. We might get bored one day and finish it off. But come on over, the main part of today's video. Oh my God. Check out these seats by Crank Motorsports. Oh my goodness. These might be the most comfortable seats I have ever sat in my life. So the R34 GTR comes with red stitching all over the car, and these seats actually have some subtle little red stitching right here. It got a grippy ass seat over here. We can, you know, holds me in very well, and the bottom portion, cotton baby, so smooth, bro. This thing is so damn comfortable. I should drive it to Utah, huh? Maybe I will. And last but not least, we got our Apex intake on there, and that concludes today's very first DIY little install here on the R34, the arc piece, the intake, and our beautiful crank seats. Once again, I want to give a huge shout out to Aerolux and Crank Motorsports out in Australia. Could have not done this without them, so make sure you guys check them out. All 3 companies are going to be listed down below in the description if you guys want to check them out for your GTT, or even if you have a GTR. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys next time.